next door?
Whoa!
Who would do this to us?
Hello, Honest of the Odd. I want to play a game.
What do you mean a game? What the fuck? Why do I feel like I have to shit?
For years, you have abused your talents by creating graphic videos, victimizing certain people and trends. YouTube has turned you all into monsters, but that changes today. The rules are simple. First, I will demonetize this video by playing my theme song. There is a handgun in the center of the room, with one bullet in the chamber. Use it wisely. You will have 60 seconds to escape, or else a deadly toxin will be released into the room, killing you all.
Ah, fuck! Smells like ass!
There is only one key that will set you free. Here's a clue.
I think the key's in my ass!
Oh, and I may have administrated laxatives to one person in the room. Live or die. Let the games begin.
He wants us to stick our hands in Coop's ass. Nope, fuck that.
No, that's bullshit! We make videos to entertain people! Shit! No! I want the food!
I'm not sticking my hand up his ass!
No, one of you two are fucking doing it.
Hey guys, I don't mean to be that guy, but you only got 60 seconds or so. Nope, not me.
No, hard pass.
I'll shove my hand up his ass. I've been in this predicament before. There's no way in hell I'm doing that.
One of us is sticking our hands up his ass, and it ain't me!
Well, it ain't me.
Well, I'm still not doing it! We're running out of time! We're fucking doing it! Let's be real here. We're running out of time. You have smaller hands than I do. Alright? Oh no! The gas! Oh! Get off the ground, Ryan! Get off the ground! Why me? Come on, man, just do it. We're running out of time. Do it! Do it! Do it so good! Okay, I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna do it! Oh, I got it! I got it! Here's coming, Scorpio Run! No! No! Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. Oh, we're out of wait time. What is that? What is it? What is it?
Hello, Ryan, Cortland, and Little Ryan, or as they call you, Honest of the Odd. You were probably expecting to find a key, but the rules were simple. Following them would have led to your freedom. You're probably wondering why this is happening. You all made a choice, and that's the reason you're here. Capturing you all was easy. Except for Ryan. How long until someone can take so much ridicule before they snap? thought I was so dumb, but that's what made us so perfect. You always said my parts were deadly. Ha! Deadly gas? More like my deadly ass. I'm tired of always being the butt of the joke in every video. But now who's the joke? Now who's laughing? Will you stick your head in your best friend's ass in order to save yourself? Or will you be the selfish assholes you really are?
Why? You know why. He's so nasty. It's like his sole purpose is to shit himself every day.
Dude, there's something wrong with that guy.
Y'all talking about Coops? That guy is smelly.
Freak! You guys made me into a smelly freak. But who's the smelly freak now? Studying the Saw films were easy. Just have one big twist.
Hello, honest to beyond. Ryan, Cortland, little Ryan. I wanna play a game.
Guys! Wake up! Somebody help! He was in his ass the whole time.
He wants us to stick our hands in Coops' ass.
I forgot what they say at the end of these movies. You mean game over? Game over! No! No! Oh, hey there. What's up? Been in here for a while now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be in here for, I don't know how long I'm gonna be in here for. Pretty sure it's been like a week or so. So you guys should just do us a favor and like and subscribe.